The instant replay presented to us by Santa Ana Park. Action.
Taas po.
Race number 4. Away they go. Bumpy Johnson fast to begin, rushing up Sakura IJ, together by Boss Lady Ali racing in fourth, and running in fifth, Territun, while Divine Diva is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn. Bumpy Johnson leads by some 3, followed by Sakura IJ, moving up by the rallies Ali racing on the outside. Boss Lady running in fifth by some 6 lengths, Territun, while Divine Diva is being up the rear, working towards the back. Bumpy Johnson by some 5, followed now by Ali, and racing from the outside, third, Boss Lady. Sakura IJ dropping back in for Territun, racing in fifth, and Divine Diva is running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, Bumpy Johnson, Ali sneaking down on the inside. Boss Lady is racing in third by some 3 lengths. Territun getting closer in fourth. Sakura IJ drops back in fifth, and Divine Diva is still running at the back of the pack as they race the final corner. Ali, this time by some 2 lengths. Bumpy Johnson is on the outside. Down on the inside, Territun and Boss Lady. Ali, Bumpy Johnson is on the outside. Ali, Bumpy Johnson on the outside. And finally it's going to be Ali, Bumpy Johnson, Boss Lady, Territun, Divine Diva.
Sa lakaton na may hawak